Welcome back, dudes. In this episode, I'm going to show you how to install a Yakima roof rack on an EF Civic. This should be similar for CRXs, hatchbacks, sedans, all pretty close. I'm going to show you the difference in a second here. Yeah, let's get in the install. So you can't buy these new anymore, which sucks. But what I did is I kept searching Facebook Marketplace, and I actually found someone who had this whole setup for around 150 bucks. What you're going to need for the EF hatch are the Q9 clips, and it also fits in the CRX, Civic Sedan, Prelude. It's been my experience that no matter what roof rack you put on, if it's touching your paint, it's going to mess up your paint. So if you care a lot, you should definitely put some of that 3M clear film down. I'm not going to. So once you know that first dimension, how far these need to be apart, you adjust them just with a 6mm Allen wrench. You kind of have to move the plastic around and then it fits in there, and it only turns a quarter turn. And then once it's loose, you kind of have to just jiggle it. Here, I'll show you what I mean. Alright, now that the width is set, we need to measure from the weather stripping of the windshield rearward. That's going to be 6 inches. What you want to do is not disturb the towers now that you have them in the right spot. Probably should have installed the clips first, but if they're brand new, they're going to have these anti-marring stickers on them. I don't know how well it'll work. So then what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to take your clip and go up at the corners in these slots on the side of this gold piece like this. Then you're going to take your lock and you're going to come in from the back here until it sticks out the front. You want to make sure it's flush. Then you take your little clip, lock it down into place. Now your clip is installed on the tower here. And now they have this little knurled thing. I'm going to screw this upward until I get the clip closer to the car. Now there's a couple little check marks in here. You just want to tighten this up till when you tighten this, it shows less than one of them. Maybe one, just one, but that's it. So just keep tightening. You can see almost 2. That's okay. I'm going to give it a couple more turns. Once you're done, put the key in, twist the lock. It should not be able to be removed. Where are you going?
He ain't going nowhere. He's going nowhere. Where you going? Nowhere.
Alright, so personally, I don't really like how these feet are sitting on my sunroof. If we move it forward an inch, then it should be off the sunroof completely. I'll be happier. Alright, dudes, it's on. Time to run to Home Depot. So yesterday, after getting the roof rack on, I took it to Home Depot for a sheet of marine plywood for one of my boat projects. And
No. He did something stupid, is what he did.
yeah, I mean, it did work. The problem is the fairing was just directing all the wind to the bottom of the plywood, and my car was attempting to become an airplane on the way home. It was kind of sketchy. I thought I might rip one of the roof racks off, but they held okay. Anyway, I just wanted to share this with you guys. This company, Strapino, gave me some ratchet straps to test out. They're really well made, but this is their party trick. Check it out. It's like a retractable ratchet strap, almost like a tape measure, which makes getting the length really easy. And they're really nicely made. So
I like the little clips too.
yeah, check them out. We'll put a link down below. These are really cool. If you use ratchet straps a lot, consider getting some. All right. Hopefully you learned something from this video. Stoked that this thing has a roof rack. Time to go mountain biking. Cheers.